Okay, I got a 2000, I want to say 12 or 13 Honda Crosstour. It's got some paint fading. I don't know if you guys can see that paint fading in there, so I'm going to take some 1000 sandpaper weather dry 3M. I'm going to go ahead and spritz it a little, spray a little water on there so I get a smooth glide. I'm gonna go ahead and really get the, see if I can get that out. Well, smooth it down enough to where I get all the paint damage out from the clear being broken down from weather, being exposed to weather. It's obviously a vehicle that sat outside in the sun, for sure. Just want to try your best to stay off the glass and off the corners. I don't want to go through the bare metal. Okay, that's already looking a little better. It's looking a little better.